Today, we celebrate not only the remarkable organization, but also the spirit of camaraderie and service and commitment to community that we represent.
I'm like a caged up tiger, wanna run till there ain't no road. I am the underdog fighter, ring the bell and it's down they go. Taking off the gloves, I've had enough, it's in my blood. I was born for this. I was born for this. It's how I was made, running through my veins. I'm here to stay, never gonna quit. I was born for this. I was born for this.
To the new members of Bagsik and Sinag Lady Eagles Group, today marks the beginning of an exciting journey. You are joining a legacy of leaders and change makers who are committed to uplifting others and making a difference.
I was born for this. I was born for this. It's how I was made, running through my veins. I'm here to stay, never gonna quit. I was born for this.
The values of unity and empowerment, showcasing the strength that comes from working together towards the common goals. Your effort have laid the foundation for a vibrant future filled with opportunities for growth, service, and positive impact in our community.
I was born for this. 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 It's how I was made, running through my veins. I'm here to stay, never gonna quit. I was born for this. 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 I was born for this.
By the power vested in me by the Eagles Magna Carta of 1989, and as the National President, this chartering of the Bagsik Oragon Eagles Club and the recognition of the Sinag Lupad Oragon Lady Eagles Group and joint induction of new members is now called to order.
Tingnan po natin ang ating samahan to the eyes of compassion rather than the eyes of condemnation. Ang pagtutulungan, pagkakaisa at kooperasyon ang susi ng maganda at maayos at maunlad na samahan.
Sabi nga nila ay hindi makakaya talaga pag nag-iisa. Tulong-tulong lang sa ikagaganda ng organisasyon.
Sana po wag tayong magsawang tumulong sa ating mga kababayan sa Camarines Norte.
Pagpasok po natin sa Agila, hindi dahil lang sa emblem or sa type B, dahil gusto natin ang organisasyon. This is what we call strong band brotherhood.
When the lights go out and the night is falling,
Hindi ko kakayanin ito kung wala po kayo. Tinatanggap ko paglulok nyo sa akin sa posisyon bilang governor first governor ng Camarines Norte Bicol Region.
I'll be standing strong.
Bakit ba tayo nagkakaisa bilang mga kuya at ate? It is an opportunity to create change, to influence lives, and contribute positively to the community.
Watch me fight like a warrior. Watch me rise up like a champion. I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. Knock me down, I'll be back for more. Nothing can stop me. I'm the champion. I've been waiting for you. I've been waiting for you. When the shadows come.
Nandito tayo para magsilbi at hindi upang pagsilbihan. Brace yourselves. Marami pa tayong pagsasamahan. Marami pa tayong pagtatalunan. At marami pa tayong bubuing magagandang alaala.
Watch me fight like a warrior. Watch me rise up like a champion.
Sabi nga nila, let's face the challenge. Bilang magiging presidente ng Bagsik Oragon Eagles Club, malubos ko pong tinatanggap ang challenge na ibinigay sa akin. Maraming salamat po mga kuya, mga ate.
Waiting for you. I've been waiting for you. There's a burning inside that's brighter than this fire.
Embrace the value of integrity, service, and camaraderie that define the Eagles community. And let your passion and dedication shine through in all that you do.
Watch me fight like a warrior. Watch me rise up like a champion. I'm coming for you. I'm the champion. I'm coming for you. Knock me down, I'll be back for more.
Alam naman po natin what is our purpose, kung bakit po tayo nandito. We have to serve. And of course, feel free. And sana po happy po tayo.
Don't follow the majority. Follow the right way. Mabuhay ang Agila.
I'm coming for you. I'm the champion.
Saludo po ako sa mga katulad ninyo na bukas ang puso, bukas ang palad at handang maglingkod sa kapwa ng walang
I'm the champion.